Huwag natin silang ire-red tag.
There are three processes by which the Philippine Revolution is to be advanced. These include the building of the Communist Party of the Philippines, the building of the new People's Army, and the building of the National Democratic Front. At any rate, even while there are the forces of armed revolution, there are the legal democratic forces in the Philippines. The biggest of these is Bagong Alyansang Makabayan, or Bayan in short. Its biggest component organizations are Kilusang Mayo Uno, which is the labor center, the Pambansang Kilusang Magbubukid, which is the Kilusang Magbubukid ng Pilipinas, or KMP, Gabriela, the Women's Alliance, League of Filipino Students, Alliance of Concerned Teachers,